Good morning. Today we will discuss the instruction word size of 8085 microprocessor. Instruction word size or instruction based on length. Instruction word size or instruction based on length. Length means each instruction how many byte instruction. Either 1 byte instruction, 2 byte instruction or 3 byte instruction. Okay? Any instruction, it consists of, there are two parts. Number 1 opcode, number 2 operand. Okay, here opcode means operation code. There will be a instruction like add, sub, rotate, compare. Okay, there will be a some code will be there. Now to operate that code, that is called opcode. Opcode, the operation to be performed on operand. Operation to be performed on operand. It is also called as mnemonics. It is also called as mnemonics. Example, ADDR. ADDR means add to 8-bit data. Add to 8-bit data. Data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be any one of the general purpose register. Now, this is for mnemonics. Mnemonics. Mnemonics, it is also called for opcode. Opcode means there will be a operation code. What will be the code for to operate ADD? There will be a some standard operation code for each instructions in 8085 microprocessor. Add or STA 16-bit address. This is for first example, this is for second example, and third example LXI H, 8500H. Okay, STA means to store the accumulated data to the given 16-bit address location. So there will be a operation code, there will be a fixed code will be there. Okay, that is called mnemonics. Operation to be performed on the operand. LXI H. LXI H. LXI H means load. Load the given 16-bit data or address to the given HL register pan. HL register. So there will be some code for LXI RP. LXI RP. That code to be operated. To be operated. That is called operation code or opcode. It is also called for mnemonics. It is also called for mnemonics. Each instructions, in total 80 instructions, the each instruction it consists of opcode and operands. Okay, second one, operands. Operand means the data to be operated. The data to be operated. The given data, either register or memory, now to operate. Now to operate according to either 8-bit data or 16-bit data, or 8-bit address or 16-bit address. That is called operand. The data to be operated. the data may be the data 8-bit or 16-bit, and memory address either 8-bit or 16-bit. 8-bit or 16-bit. This is called operand. Here 16-bit address, this is for operand and this is for opcode. LXH, 8500, this is for opcode and this is for operand. Fourth example, ADI07H, this is for opcode and 07 for operand. This is for 8-bit data. Okay, any instruction, it consists of two. Number one, opcode. Number two, operand. Opcode is nothing but operation to be performed on operand. Okay, operand is nothing but either 8-bit or 16-bit data or 8-bit or 16-bit address. Okay, each instructions are classified into 3 groups. It is based on the length of the instruction. Total 80 instruction. The 80 instruction, it is based on the any one of the types, either 1 word or 1 byte instruction, 2 word or 2 byte instruction, 3 word or 3 byte instructions. Okay, total 80 instruction, it is based on any one of the 3 byte, either 1 byte instruction or 2 byte instruction or 3 byte instruction. All the 3, it consists of opcode and operands. Okay, first one, 1 byte instruction. 1 byte instruction. Here 1 byte instruction means it consists of only opcode. There is no operands. 1 byte instruction means it consists of only opcode and no operands. No operands. This is called 1 byte instruction. Example, 1 byte instruction ADDE. ADDE means this is for 1 byte instruction only for opcode. There will be a fixed code. There will be a fixed code will be the corresponding ADDE instruction. It consists of only opcode. There is no operands. Here operands means either 16-bit data or 8-bit data or 16-bit address or 8-bit address. Here only for opcode. There is no operands. Okay, this is for first example. Second one, CMA. CMA means complement the accumulator content. This is also 1 byte instruction. There is no operands. Okay, and the third example, RLC. Rotate accumulator content left without carry. This is also single byte instruction. Only it consists of opcode. There is no operands. Operand means either 8-bit data or 16-bit data or 8-bit address or 16-bit address. Here there is no address and data. Only for opcode. Operation code. This is for single byte instruction. Second one, 2 byte instruction. Second one, 2 byte instruction. Here first byte of code and second byte represent for 8-bit data or 8-bit address. Okay, 2 byte instruction means it consists of 8 bits. The first 8 bit for first byte represent for opcode and second byte will be either 8 bit data or 8 bit address. Okay. Example for 2 byte instruction. First example SUI 5H F5H. SUI means subtract accumulator content with given F5 data. Okay, this is for 2 byte instruction. The first byte SU for SUI opcode. This is single byte, 1 byte instruction, and F5 8-bit data. This is for 8-bit data. This is for operand. This is also 1 byte. Total 2 byte instruction. The first byte for opcode, the second byte represent for 8-bit data. Second example, in 8-bit port address. 8-bit port address. In means to read the data from keyboard. The given 8-bit address. Okay. Now the 8-bit address data load into accumulator. This is for opcode and 8-bit port address. This is for 8-bit address. This is for operand. This is for 1 byte and this is for 1 byte. Total 2 byte instruction. This is for 2 byte instruction. The 2 byte instruction means it consists of first byte opcode. The second byte will be either 16-bit data, 8-bit data or 8-bit address. Okay. Next one, 3 byte instruction. 3 byte instruction. The 3 byte instruction, it consists of first byte opcode, second and third byte, either 16-bit data or 16-bit address. Okay, the first byte represent for opcode and second and third byte either 16-bit data or 16-bit address. Example number 1, LXI H, 8500 H. This is for 3 byte instruction. LXI H, this is for opcode, 1 byte and 16-bit address. 16-bit address means it consists of 8 bits. Okay, 8 bit. This is for second byte and this is for third byte. This is for second byte and this is for third byte. Total 16 bit. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 byte instruction. The first byte represents for opcode second and third byte represent for 16-bit address or 16-bit data. Second example, STA4600H. This is also 3-byte instruction. STA opcode single byte, 1 byte, and 4600H. This is for 16-bit address. Okay, 16-bit address means this is for operands, and this is also operands. Now 16-bit means this is for second byte and this is for third byte. Total 2 bytes. 2 bytes and 1 byte. Total 3 byte. STA4600. This is the 3-byte instruction. Okay. Instruction word size or instruction based on length. There are 3 types. Number 1, 1 byte instruction. Number 2, 2 byte instruction. Number 3, 3 byte instruction. The 1 byte instruction, it consists of only opcode. There is no operands. 2 byte instruction, it consists of first byte opcode and second byte will be either 8-bit data or 8-bit address. Next, third one, 3-byte instruction, it consists of 3 byte, first byte opcode, second and third byte represent for either 16-bit data or 16-bit address. Second and third byte 16-bit address or 16-bit data. Total 3 byte instructions. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.